guys, we are back again with me, Ethel Chamomile, with another Unity tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to make collectibles. But first, as you can see here, our dragon is, for some reason, behind the scenery. To fix that, you can go here to the scenery, click here and then hold shift and click the other one. As you can see here, the order in layer is 0. You can change that to -1 and there you go. Why -1? That is because our dragon is in layer 0. So we want the background to be at the back. So that's why we can change this to 1 or 99. It doesn't matter. So back to the topic. The idea is the collectibles will, the dragon will move forward, right? And then the collectibles will be floating around so the dragons can take them. But as you know, our dragon doesn't actually go forward. The background is the one going backward. So the collectibles also is gonna be going backward. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can make the collectible go backward first. Alright, to do that, I'm going to import some assets. I'm gonna make a new folder, call it collectibles. You go inside here, make a sprites folder, and then drag in the apple. Why apple? I don't know. Alright, next up, we're gonna make the actual object in the scene. We're gonna name this collectibles and as the group, and inside that, the actual collectible, right? Make sure to make the parent at 0, 0, 0. And this collectible, I'm gonna make another object called graphic and drag the apple into it. I think that's too big, so yeah, that's about right. So the actual collectible is this. This is just the grouping, just to make things look organized. If you hit play, of course the apple will stay there. It looks like the dragon is chasing the floating apple, but we can change that. I'm gonna make another folder called scripts over here, and create a new script called collectible. Enter and open. And I forgot to actually open it beforehand. How do I pause in OBS again? This is gonna take a while. Let's see, settings. No, can I pause here? I guess not. Ah, ah, ah. Is my voice alright? Yeah, you can still keep this part in case I haven't caught it. Loading solutions. My toy is gone. Come on. There we go. Alright. Currently the open one is Dragonfly. For some reason we're going to go here, the collectibles, and we delete this. Right, next I'm going to make a variable over here, private float speed. Make the default value 0, and then I will make a function void. Let's call it float. Floating. Float. This float is alright. After that, I gonna want to make for here a vector 3. Pause. Okay. So the idea here is we're gonna make every time we call float, we're gonna assign the pause variable into the position into our current position, the current position of the collectible, and then I want to move the collectible to the left, so I'm gonna do pause the x. I'm gonna subtract them by speed. So as you know, a vector 3 has 3 vectors, right? 3, 0, 0, 0. This is x, y, z. The x is the horizontal over here, the y is the vertical over here, and the z is the for the 3D part. For now, you only want to move around the x. Sorry. Alright. We can actually like just make it like this, pause dot x minus speed, right? But it's easier to make subtract equals speed. It means the same. After that, I'm going to want to like transform that position equals vector 3 dot lerp. It requires 3 parameters here, vector 3, 2 vector 3s, and a float. I'm gonna transform position, and then pause, and then speed times time dot delta time. Maybe I should make this desired position to make it clearer. So we are lerp here is the function that we can call to move an object, from one point to another point, and the speed times the dollar time. It's to make the transition smooth kind of thing. We're gonna call this function in update. Update is a default function from mono behavior, and this function will be automatically called on every frame when the game is running. So call here the float function, save, and let's see what happens. Go to collectible, the collectible object, and then drag the collectible over here. I'm gonna make the speed for now 1. What's this? No. Just clear it. Okay. Let's put the collectible bit over here and hit play. As you can see, it's moving alright, but way too slow. Make that maybe 10. What? Too fast. Make that 3 perhaps. There you go. Much better. Maybe make it like 5. I think I like 5. Okay, so we got 5 here, and also notice that the apple is like the apple sprite is at the in front of the dragon. I want it to be back. I want it to be behind the dragon, so since we already have -1 for the scenery, apple is going to stay at 0, and meanwhile the dragon will be number 1. Don't forget to save. Oh, it's kinda hard. Yeah, there you go. You see it? My throat. It's kinda weird. No, it's not a virus. Don't worry about it. Anyway, that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Alright. So today we were able to make the collectibles move to the left. Next video I'm gonna make the dragon actually be able to get the collectible, so when the collectible hits the dragon, the collectible will disappear, right? So yeah, that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.